Stop panicking when the waiter walks over. Master every restaurant conversation in 2 minutes with this simple song. Let's practice. And stick around for a challenge at the end. Let's get started.
I walk inside and take a seat. A friendly waiter smiles at me. Good evening, do you have a table? Yes, for one, if that is available.
Here's the menu, take your time.
Everything looks really fine. I like to order something good, a tasty meal just like I should. A glass of water, maybe tea. Bring the menu back to me. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I'd like some chicken with some rice.
Any drinks?
A juice is nice.
Anything else?
No, that's all. I sit and wait until they call.
Your food is ready, here you go.
Thank you very much, I say so. I'd like to order something good,
A tasty meal just like I should.
a glass of water, maybe tea. Bring the menu back to me. Excuse me?
Can I get the bill?
Yes, of course, just wait a little.
Do you take card?
Yes, we do.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to you.
I'd like to order, take my time. Enjoy the meal, the taste is fine. At the restaurant, nice and free.
Simple English helps me be. Ma-da-da-da.
Now, here is your challenge. Use what you just learned and comment below your favorite meal and drink using the phrase, I'd like. Let's see who can order like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe.